Hi once again, YouTubers. I hope you're having a really nice day. So this is another unboxing and review, and this will be close to my 100th video for this channel. So this is my 90 plus video, and this time I'll be unboxing and reviewing this beautiful car from Tomica. This is the part of their premium line. This is the red Nissan Skyline 2000 Turbo RS. So this is a 1/63 scale model. This is a really gorgeous car, and right now it's quite hard to find Toys R Us and Toy Kingdom. So let's open this one right now. So like all premium Tomicas and Tomica limited vintage cars, which they were known in the past, this one looks really good and has really excellent details. So unlike their basic cars from Tomicas, which has ugly rims, their premium line cars have beautiful rims. This one has that old school vintage look with the red paint, the black paint here at the bottom of the car, and the gold rims. So this one also has opening features. So the door opens quite smoothly. Again, tremendous details in the interior of the car. It has red sport seats, and this one is a right-hand drive, which reflects that this is a Japanese car. Now in real life, these cars are were only sold in Japan, and it was only in later years that they were imported to other countries. And in some countries, people tried to convert them into left-hand drives, which were really expensive, and if not done well, was really dangerous. So this one has front and back tremendous front and back details, rear details. The headlights are transparent, and the fog lights here are painted. At the rear, it has so the headlights are plastic, they are not painted. It has a plate number that says RS Turbo. So there's a silver accent here at the windows. Again, the molding really looks excellent because this is a premium model from Tomica. Like all Tomica cars, this one has suspension. really this is a really cool looking car. The spoiler is metal and really looks good. So they are this is not like some cars which has oversized spoilers that they look like grocery carts, I mean. So at the side it has tempo here that says 4-valve DOHC, which means the dual overhead cams. Then it says RS Turbo. Again, buttery smooth opening doors. So the exhaust is also painted silver. So the weak part of Tomicas is that they have plastic base. Now some collectors like plastic base because they are much more resilient to scratches than metal. But I really love the metal base, like what old school old vintage diecast cars have. So take another look at the car. Really looks awesome. So that's it for my unboxing and video of the Tomica Premium Nissan Skyline 2000 Turbo RS. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please do like and subscribe. Remember, if you keep on collecting. God bless and goodbye.